Decent Wallet Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my Decent Wallet Full Review. Links to the product are included in the description below. Decent Wallet is a hardware wallet designed to offer secure cryptocurrency storage with a focus on user experience and high-level security. Its standout feature is the built-in fingerprint authentication, offering an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access, making it an excellent choice for security-conscious users. Decent Wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various ERC20 tokens, making it a versatile choice for users who deal with different assets. The wallet features a sleek design with a touchscreen for easier navigation and transaction signing, which sets it apart from many other hardware wallets. The integration of biometric security through fingerprint scanning makes it incredibly user-friendly while providing an advanced level of protection, especially for those who may not want to rely solely on PIN codes or passwords. The Decent Wallet is made for crypto enthusiasts who prioritize both ease of use and security. Its intuitive interface and simple setup process make it ideal for both beginners and more experienced users. It's particularly great for individuals who value the convenience of having a hardware wallet with a mobile app interface. However, one downside is that while it supports many cryptocurrencies, it does not have the same level of ecosystem integration or extensive coin support as some other top-tier wallets. Another potential issue is the price, which may be on the higher end compared to other wallets with similar functionality. In conclusion, the Decent Wallet stands out for its unique combination of biometric security and ease of use. It's an excellent choice for those who want a highly secure, easy-to-navigate hardware wallet with added features like fingerprint authentication. However, if you're looking for the widest possible coin support or a lower price point, you might want to explore other options.